Hi everyone, in this section we are going to explore a major change for virtual lectures. Just simply search your course, click on the course option, and once your course could have the view on the right side, you can find out course faculty, whoever the instructor for this course. You can find out their names, either one or more than one instructors are teaching. On the bottom you can find out details and actions. The first one, roster, courses image, class collaboration, attendance, books and tools. In the end you can find out question banks. Here is one option available, that is class collaboration. So this is your new name for the virtual lectures. Earlier in the old view that was with the name of virtual lectures, but here you can find out the virtual lectures with the name of class collaboration. So simply click on the join session and it will give you the option course room. Click on this one, it will take you to another tab, and rest of the things are similar to the virtual lectures which you could have in the old view, but in ultra view you can find out the course virtual classrooms that is with the name of class collaboration.